WMC 250 EV. The first thing that catches your eye when you look at this electric motorcycle from the British company White Motorcycle Concepts is the hole in the front of the body. According to the developers, it allowed to reduce the aerodynamic drag coefficient by 70% compared with traditional motorcycles. Today, the concept is powered by a 135 horsepower motor, but in the future, the engine will reach up to 340 horsepower. The expected top speed after all tests and modifications will be over 250 miles per hour. Defiant X. This new generation assault helicopter is a joint project of two world-renowned companies, Lockheed Martin and Boeing. Although it's still under development, it's already clear that the final production version will be the fastest, most maneuverable and durable assault helicopter in the history of aviation. It's too early to give exact numbers, but preliminary estimates suggest that the Defiant X will fly 118 miles per hour faster than its predecessors, reaching at least 340 miles per hour. It'll be able to fly 60% farther, while the maneuverability and pointing accuracy will be improved by 50%. The Speeder. Flying motorcycles may become an essential part of human life in the near future. For example, the American company Jetpack Aviation is already taking orders for its product. The Speeder costs $380,000. For this money, you get a personal flying machine capable of reaching speeds of over 150 miles per hour and heights of up to 15,000 feet. It's powered by 4 turbine-powered jet engines and will use diesel or kerosene as fuel. However, the company plans to release only 20 recreational speeders. Future production will be dedicated to military and the government. Jetpack Aviation has already produced a quite functional jetpack, so the idea of a flying motorcycle doesn't seem unfeasible. Audi Grand Sphere Concept. Audi describes their new concept as a private jet for the road. Grand Sphere was presented in September 2021. It's a level 4 autonomy electric sedan. It's able to independently park, drive to the charging station, and take passengers to designated locations. One of the most important features is the convertible cabin, which can be used in 2 modes. When the driver uses the autopilot, the steering wheel, dashboard, and pedals are stowed away so as to not get in the way. There are not even any screens on the dashboard. But in active driving mode, information is projected on the wooden touch panel. The engine output is said to be 530 kilowatts, and the battery capacity is 120 kilowatt hours, and the range is 466 miles. Attune Neo. Experts from the Japanese company Attune have decided to significantly increase the capabilities of the human body. Right now, they're developing an exoskeleton that will significantly reduce the strain on a person when lifting heavy objects. A worker using a Neo exoskeleton won't feel the weight of the load, as it will be taken by the equipment. The project was presented in September, but there's no information about its specification just yet. Mercedes-Benz Concept EQG. This interesting concept was presented in September 2021. Mercedes-Benz specialists took the much-loved G-Class and turned it into an electric car. The EQG is a near-production prototype, which will be available in a few years. The model has an independent front suspension, a solid axle at the rear, and 4 individually controlled motors, one for each wheel. The 2-speed transfer gearbox will allow you to feel confident off-road. The front end has an unusual look because the grille was replaced by a panel with 3D effects and LED lighting. Hyundai Mobis M-Vision 2 Go. This vehicle is part of a family of prototypes that Hyundai Mobis has been developing for the past few years. 2 Go is perhaps the most remarkable of them, as it's equipped with hydrogen fuel cells with a total weight of 4.6 pounds. This in addition to a 30 kilowatt electric motor and a 30 kilowatt-hour battery. The latter gives the 2 Go a range of up to 124 miles. On top of that, the car will get an e-corner module, which allows rotating the wheels up to 90 degrees. Accordingly, in addition to normal driving, the model will be able to drive sideways and turn on the spot. Geely Hom Truck. When conceiving this electric tractor concept, the developers from the Chinese company Geely paid a lot of attention to the comfort of the driver. Their task was to make the Hom Truck a home away from home. As a result, the cabin of the truck is a fully fledged, spacious sleeping compartment. In addition, there's a tiny kitchen with a fridge, a toilet, a shower, and even a washing machine. Driving comfort and safety is enhanced by an array of driving assistance and an autopilot system. For example, Hom Truck is able to move independently in a convoy, controlling the speed and distance to other vehicles. The engine is made to order and can be hybrid or electric. Technical details will not be available until next year. Ocean Bird. Ocean Bird from the Swedish company Wallenius Marine is a step towards zero-emission navigation. According to the idea, the ship reduces the amount of harmful emissions into the atmosphere and water by 90%, and the ideas implemented in it can be transferred to any vessel of any other class. The secret of Ocean Bird lies in its ability to convert wind power into electricity. When launched in 2024, Ocean Bird will be the world's largest wind-powered cargo ship. Its hull is 656 feet long and 131 feet wide, and it has the capacity to take 7,000 vehicles on board. Ocean Bird will cross the Atlantic Ocean in 12 days, only 5 days more than diesel-powered vessels. Samsung Digital Cockpit. For many years, Samsung experts have been working on a digital cockpit system that could entertain the driver and passengers during long journeys in a new way. You can see the latest version on your screen. It was presented in early 2021. According to the idea, the user has several monitors of different sizes, including the rear seats. The most impressive is the 49-inch QLED display attached to the dashboard. These can be used to play games, read the news, watch videos, and display smartphone notifications. These monitors can also show video from the 4 exterior cameras of the car. The cabin's equipped with the automotive Samsung Health System, which monitors the health of the passengers and is able to control the level of stress through lighting, music, and smells. Bell APT. This drone of the American company Bell Textron is capable of delivering small goods through the air without human involvement. At the moment, APT is under development, but apparently the project has a great future in logistics, military, and medical services. In addition to autonomy, the drone is quite compact and features vertical takeoff and landing. The APT is capable of accelerating up to 70 miles per hour, has a range of 31 miles, and carries up to 100 pounds of cargo. Next. This project has been repeatedly mentioned in important international conferences worldwide because it is able to change the common views of society on public transportation. Next is an electric modular autonomous vehicle developed by an Italian company. According to the idea, it can be summoned through a mobile app. Following a given route, the modules connect, becoming a single transport, and then disconnect to carry the passengers to their destinations. This system allows Next to be 15 to 75% more cost-effective compared to traditional public transportation and create 80% fewer traffic jams.